Want to know how to farm resources across the map? Well, no worries. Farming resources is not an easy job in Game of Thrones. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can easily farm resources, that too across the map in a good way in Game of Thrones KingsRoad. So let's get straight to it. So it's all about smart routing in KingsRoad Mobile. So make sure target high yield nodes are targeted first. Gold, food and materials are limited, so make sure you do that. Make sure you also use heroes with movement boost to travel faster between nodes, and make sure you pay attention to respawn timers for nodes so you never miss free resources. These are very important for you. Participate in alliance resource events for bonus rewards and much more so that you can easily farm these resources efficiently across the map. Following this plan keeps your kingdom well stocked and heroes power up as well, so you can just simply upgrade easily later on. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.